Hi, and welcome to Vlogmas on Art and Crochet by Kim. I hope to bring you many fun crochet items like this, tutorials, and watercolors, and shopping guide for artful gifts. All right, join me.
Hi, and this is my kitchen. As you can see, I'm putting it together slowly but surely for Christmas. Lots of pretty artwork and crochet items. And what I'm showing you is the Bobble Stich Christmas tree wall hanging. I'm going to be showing you how to make something very similar to this. And let's go over the supplies. And thank you for joining me for the first Vlogmas project. All right, next the supplies. Let's quickly go over the supplies. I have an assortment of yarn. I use this dark green right here in my last Bobble Christmas tree. You can use like a sage color, this bright green. This is the cream for the background for your base. A lot of these are I love this yarn. This happens to be the ivory. And you can make a pink bobble tree if you wish. Ruler, 12-inch dowel for hanging. We're going to be using the yarn needle crochet technique, so you're going to want to get your yarn needle. All my crochet is a yarn needle crochet technique. Various ribbons for embellishments after you're finished. I use a twine ribbon in my last one and some wooden beads. I have various sizes here. Scissors. This is a sunflower one I did for the fall. We're going to do a square one for the one I'm going to be demonstrating. The one in the picture was a rectangular. And I'm going to go ahead and use the yarn and the wooden beads like I did here for the hanging. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you, and make sure your notification bell is pressed so you'll know when the next video is ready to watch. All right, let's get started.
Okay, our really cute bright green Christmas tree and the yarn needle crochet technique bobble. Look how cute that turned out. I've woven in a wooden dowel through the eyelet stitching that we were doing before. I'm going to tie on a little red ribbon at the top. I'm going to put some hanging yarn and some beads and fringe at the bottom. I will show you how that looks because I'm going to do that off camera. If you need more information on that, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of this really cute yarn bobble stitch. All right, let me add this red bow, the fringe, and the hanging yarn with beads. And then I'll show you how you can hang it on the wall. And I hope you enjoyed this project. It's really fun for our first Vlogmas project. And let me complete this and I'll show you how it looks when it's all finished. Our really cute bright green bobble Christmas tree with our yarn needle technique is all complete. Check it out. Added the beading, the yarn hanging, the dowel, the fringe. I think it looks beautiful any setting. Traditional, farmhouse, minimalist, great for gift giving. Don't forget, gift giving is right now, so you're going to want to make a lot of these for friends and family. And here's the first one I made with the dark green. It's a little bit more rectangular and long. Has the yellow star embroidered at the top. Right, join me for Vlogmas Day 2 coming soon. I'm going to try to do the Vlogmas as much as I can. It may not be every day, but I will try to fit as many as I can until Christmas. So let's have some happy Christmas cheer, and I'll see you on Vlogmas Day 2.